What's going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping back by the channel. But hey, this video, we're going to take a little road trip to Winston, Salem, North Carolina, and hopefully the weather will hold and we'll be able to get the drone up and get some nighttime shots of downtown Winston-Salem after dark. We've also got the GoPros hooked up on the truck, so we're going to do some time warping on the way over there. Hope you enjoy our little trip. It's going to take about 50 minutes to an hour for me to get there, but of course it won't take you that long. So guys, stay tuned, give us a like if you like us, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and guys, let's get going. All right, guys, I made it to Winston-Salem, and before I take the drone up and try to do a little bit of flying around, I figured I'd stop by my daughter's new spot that she's just opened up, her new location, and it's the Tiny Spots here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. She's going to give you the information and give us a little bit of a tour. So anyway, guys, this is my daughter back here behind me, Jamie, and she's going to take us around the spa right quick.
Okay.
All right, guys, here's the doors.
All right, come on in.
All right. After you.
All right, okay.
Wow, very, very spa-ish, I'll have to say.
So
what is this area here?
this is our relaxation space. This is where you can come to relax before or after your spa appointment. We have little meditation stations set up here where you can actually relax. If you come over here to the Chaise Lounge, we do have we have headphones paired with an iPod Touch that's connected to Calm. Calm is a meditation app, or it's an app for sleep stories too. So it's all part of helping you recover from stress and anxiety, and it just kind of completes the spa experience. So you can enjoy that either before or after your appointment. We also provide spa robes here as well. So you can come and grab a spa robe, take one of these cubbies, put your clothes in there, and take some slippers out, put on some spa slippers in here, and then just enjoy the relaxation space while you're here.
Okay, so what have you got back here in the back?
Okay, so this is our treatment room 1. So we have 2 treatment rooms. This is the first room. So this is where all the magic happens, all the relaxation magic. We do facials, massage therapy, body treatments, and waxing. This is the room that I primarily operate out of. You'll see a lot of things from IKEA. Also, we decorated with my photography, with my prints. So this is a print from Hawaii, when I went to Hawaii like 3 years ago.
And she didn't take her father, by the way.
No. Mama went with me on that trip. And then these are my photography that's been turned into art, as into a watercolor. Yeah.
Cool. So what kind of what are the services you offer again?
So we do waxing, facials, massage therapy, body treatments, brow tinting, lash tinting, all things skincare and body related.
Well, guys, and you know, if anybody is watching that is interested, I will be dropping a link down below with all of her information and all of her contact information should anybody want to book an appointment. So I guess these are all products that you...
Yes, so this is our skincare that we use in our spa. We're an exclusive Comfort Zone spa. Comfort Zone is from Parma, Italy, so we're an Italian skincare line. It's clean skincare. I've been partnering with Comfort Zone for 7 years now. So we love Comfort Zone and our clients love them, and yeah, it's a really great skincare line.
So we had to move to a bigger location. Is this because the clientele got a little hectic and we needed some more space? Is that why you made the move?
Yes.
Better location?
Better location, and we have 2 full treatment rooms now, whereas before we only had 1. I'm gonna turn some lights on here. There you go. So this is the bigger of the 2 rooms. Those are Costa Rica prints.
Never been there.
Mm-hmm.
So now you have a couple other employees that work with you.
Yes, so I have Jessica, who's our esthetician. Jessica and I worked together at Aveda 7 years ago, and we worked together at Aveda for 7 years. And we have Linda, who's a part-time massage therapist, and then we're about to bring on 2 other people. So Lisa and Ashley.
So we're going to be very busy here at the Tiny Spa. So
yeah. Also, I want to share with you guys what we're going to be doing in the relaxation space on Sundays. So Sundays we're not here doing spa services on Sunday. However, we're going to be utilizing our relaxation space for restorative yoga. Restorative yoga is all about breath work and meditation and stretching the body. So it really ties into wellness and well-being. I'm a huge fan of restorative yoga. So we're going to offer 2 one-hour classes that you can choose from on Sundays. And then we also want to offer art classes, classes that are fun and kind of playful, something that you can do outside of spa treatments that help to encourage well-being and wellness. And we're calling Sundays our joy of being. So focusing on being in the present moment.
Oh, okay. Well, that sounds pretty interesting, but yoga's pretty hard, so
This yoga's not hard, so no.
So this is easy yoga, huh?
Yes,
this might be something that your father could handle.
Yeah, it's stretching. It's not like working out different yoga poses. It's like on the floor, you're stretching. It helps your body. Yeah.
And you're gonna utilize this area here.
Yes. And,
Okay.
yeah, so this is Sundays will be our day for events and classes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for the tour, Jamie.
Thank you guys.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the tiny spa. Like I say, I'm going to be dropping her information in the links down below. Should you guys live in the area and want to make a visit, I certainly do recommend it. And not just because she's my daughter, but because she's actually good at what she does. So guys, appreciate your time. Let's go see if we can fly that drone.
Oh yeah.
Well, guys, it looks like our drone flight is not going to happen because the spot that we picked is too close to an airport, apparently. They've got a main landing strip in this area, and the drone is keeping me from even taking off. So I can't even get up 3 feet where I'm at. So we're gonna have to try this another day. So sorry about that, guys. No drone footage tonight. I think it'd really been great if we could have got the drone up and took some pictures of the city, because it really looks nice with all the lights and everything on. But guys, we're gonna hit it back to the house. So it's time warp time. All right, guys, we've made it back. I do appreciate you going along with the ride and staying with us to the end. Again, big shout out to the Tiny Spa in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. I'm going to drop their info down below so you can check them out if you're interested. Also, I hate that we didn't get to get the drone into the air, but we were just too close to an airport, and we couldn't take off. So guys, thanks for watching. Like always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, clang on that notification bell, and guess what? We'll definitely see you on the next one.